Okay. How mental emotional problems affect the chi. So everyone should be aware of this, no? How it affects our chi. Number one, the mind and spirit are considered what form of chi?
Subtle.
Subtle chi. What is the primary effect of emotional factors on chi?
Upsetting movement and transformation of chi.
The longest answer, no? Which of the following is not an effect of emotions on the chi?
Freezing
Naman
chi.
mo naman ko lang nangigyang freeze. Injury to the mind or spirit leads to
Chi deficiency or rebellious chi.
yes. So there are two things that can happen: chi deficiency or rebellious chi. And this will lead to chi stagnation, no? Okay, number five. Rebellious chi refers to
Chi moving randomly. Counterflow.
yes, counterflow movement of the chi, opposite. Number six, rebellious chi may involve
Chi rising when it should descend.
yes. Which organ's chi should normally descend?
Tama.
Tama.
Okay. Pero ang heart nagko-communicate kay kidney, ha?
Yes. Fire and water.
Which organ's chi should normally rise?
Spleen.
Yes, spleen. Ultimately, both deficient and rebellious chi may lead to
Chi stagnation.
stagnation. Now, alam na, alam na. Ma'am Elvira, you go to ano ha? To Cebu.
Yes, Doc.
Invite all your
I am preparing.
wow, really? Okay. See you then.
Yes.
Sige. Chi stagnation from emotions most commonly affects which organs?
Liver, heart, and lung.
Heart and lungs.
Di ba?
Cheese.
Oh, yung mga ano dyan, nakaka-relate. I'm sure walang aamin. No? Usually yung hindi aamin yung pinakamalakas tumawa. Okay, liver, heart, and lungs. Okay. The most common effect of emotional stress on the liver.
Chi stagnation.
Yes. Which emotion primarily causes liver chi stagnation?
Anger.
Nice. Which emotion contributes to diyan na naman tayo. Okay, liver chi stagnation.
Resentment.
Man.
And wow. Parang emote na emote si Ma'am Elvira.
Use Doc, experience ko yan eh. May naka-built-in dito na mga talagang magagalit ka. Built-in.
Okay, sige. Lahat mga nagagalit, dali mo na sa Cebu ha. July 25. Ilan kayo pupunta? 20?
Pwede ba tayo, Doc, maka-invite ng mga, parang mga nagsisimpatay sa, ano, yung mga
Oo.
clients?
Ano pa lang,
Client.
symposium yun eh. Dali
Okay.
na. Tapos ano, for everyone naman yun.
Okay.
Kailangan natin ng tao para makaano na, para yung mga provincial natin na practitioners. Saka magiging practitioner na naman kayo soon, di ba?
Naka 1,000 na ba tayo, Doc? Lahat, di ba?
Ewan ko, baka pag
All
Cebu magna
Philippines.
1,000 na tayo sa Cebu, damihan natin yung Cebu. Cebu and Visayas and Mindanao. Tawagan nyo na yung buong Bacolod, madam, ha?
Kaya nga, nung invited namin, parang na-offended din kami eh. Nasa SAC sila kasi, yung taga Murcia, sa Paris ng Murcia.
Yung
Matagal
buong,
na yun,
buong,
practitioner.
buong ano, hindi, actually, we wanted practitioners to really come para ma-update sila with
Okay.
what is going on, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sige,
And I know you would love to go to Cebu, remember?
yes, Doc. Si Jubel at
Yes.
nakikiano na.
Sabay kayo sa
Sabi niya, kailan ka pa?
oh,
Ano
sige na, tuloy-tuloy na natin to. Dalhin mo na lahat yung buong barangay dyan sa... Nasa
Sana
Bacolod
naman
kayo, madam?
tama. Sa Cadiz po, Doc, pero may mga client sa Bacolod.
Sige, please asahan namin yan. Mag-ano na
Oo,
kayo,
dumadaan kami ni
umpisa
Jubel
kayo
dyan. May
ngayon
mga
pa lang.
kilala kami doon.
Ngayon pa lang para kasi kukunti lang ini-reserve natin. Okay. Pati
But
yung kakilala nyo sa Cebu. Okay?
Dr. Hector, I would like to go to Cebu.
Oh, yes.
Yes,
Ah,
sister.
And let's
no,
do
Kita
the
tayo doon.
no, the airplane back and forth,
Huh?
5,000.
Oh, we look for sponsors. Mom Letty can.
Really?
Okay,
Yes,
let's
punta ka.
ask. We will raise funds for you.
Oh, I never have been Cebu. I would like to go,
You have not
but
been to Cebu?
I never have been Cebu, Dr.
You will
Hector.
love Cebu. In fact, that's where the ASEAN summit now is currently being that's why they have no work yesterday and today.
Can they find sponsor for me?
You ask somebody from Cadiz. Make friends with Ma'am Elvira.
Siguro, sister, yung sister, yung mga fathers doon, yung mga Chinese doon sa Murcia.
Yeah,
Caregiver
please
ako doon.
invite.
Sana nakapunta tayo muna doon.
She cannot understand Tagalog, madam. You have to speak.
Okay,
I
okay.
don't know them.
Yeah, maybe we can have, sister. Yung nagpapasok sa akin doon,
Yeah,
maybe we can have
I
one teacher from
would like to go, Mom.
You should go.
Holy Trinity School. Maybe I will talk to her.
You will love Cebu.
Thank you, thank you
Yes.
so much. You
We'll
can
just communicate, sister.
Buy the ticket
Yeah, he will
now
just
while it's
communicate.
cheap. Okay?
You join. Mom,
In love.
Angela, you help me messenger.
Okay.
Yeah, she really
Make
loves
friends with Ma'am
sister.
Elvira. Ma'am Elvira,
She really
you will go to
loves
heaven
that.
fast. Okay?
Please
What
help
dog?
me. I would like to go.
Okay na.
We'll
Sige,
have to go
haba-haba
there.
na.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm.
So please finalize your plans. Okay. Block your calendar now. July 25. Holding anger inside leads to.
Liver cheese.
Yes. Okay. Ang bilis mong sumagot. A key physical symptom of liver cheese stagnation is
Distension
hypochondria. Which symptom is associated with liver chi stagnation?
belching.
Yeah, bumabalik. Emotional signs of liver chi stagnation include
Depression. Definitely depression.
wow, talagang ay, emote na emote si Miss Taga Bulacan kayo, madam, no? Ma'am.
Yes, Doc.
Wow. Kala ko beauty pageant, Okay. Parang matangkad si Ma'am.
naman.
Ma'am Kizia.
5 flat, Doc.
5. Wag mo na lang sabihin ulit. Okay. Which pulse is typical of liver chi stagnation? Kasi imagine kung matangkad ka pa na sa'yo na lahat, di ba? Okay. Which pulse? Yes. Letter
Letter B.
wiry. A feeling of lump. Ako na experience ko. A feeling of lump in the throat is cold.
Plump yet.
Have you experienced this? You feel like parang
Yes.
talalamutan.
Yes.
Hindi ka naman machuchoke. Parang mayroon lang
May some obstruction.
Tapos hahalo
Hindi, Dok.
ka.
Nung nag-GERD ako, Dok, parang ganyan nung nararamdaman ko.
Siyempre, anger ka, liver chi stagnation. Punta naman tayo sa gynecological symptom linked to liver chi stagnation.
Premenstrual.
Yes. Wow, alam na alam. Premenstrual. Bakit nagme-mens ka? Liver chi stagnation affects which spiritual aspect? Liver, ha? Liver yan, hun. Liver chi stagnation affects which spiritual aspect? Hun. The hun is associated with
Dreams and creativity.
So kung hindi na maganda yung dreams mo, we now have an issue with the hun. Dapat pala kasi you should not remember your dreams very often. Diba?
I remember it every time.
Okay. So that means you should
Very strong.
you should be in love again. Ask Miss Bulacan. Oo. Nag-dream ka ba parate, ma'am,
Yes.
Miss? Ay, wow, yes siya. Tagal niya mag-yes. Okay. Ni Kizia.
Kizaya do.
Kizaya. Ala, sorry. Kizaya pala. Parang mga Jeremiah. Okay. Kizaya pala siya. Ay, kakahiya. Kakizaya. Restriction of the Hun leads to
Lack of ideas and inspiration.
yes.
Parang ako din, Dok, ah.
Mode alternation is a sign of
Liberty.
River chip.
mood swings. Ito na yung mood swings, no? Pabago-bago. Which symptom reflects emotional frustration?
Irritability.
Ay, naku, grabe yung pagkasabi. Parang emote na emote. Heart and lung chi stagnation is caused by
Worry and
Worry and sadness.
yes. Worry affects chi. How?
not cheap.
Not, yeah, it knots it. Inaano niya,
Binubuhol.
binubuhol-buhol. Sadness affects chi by
Depleting.
eating it. Kaya wala kang ganang magtrabaho, wala kang energy. Nadideplete yung chi mo. Nadideplete ba yung chi mo, Miss Kizaya?
Hindi naman do.
Ay, wow.
Sa
Okay.
ngayon.
Ay,
Sakto lang.
how often ba nadideplete?
Maybe twice a year.
Ay, wow. May schedule.
Mas okay ng schedule kaysa from time to time.
Okay. Punta ka ng Cebu, Ma'am Kizaya.
Sige, Doc. Ipaplan ko
Sabay mo
yan.
na pati bakasyon. You communicate with the phone number there. A key symptom of heart-lung chi stagnation is
Chest
Chest
tightness.
tightness.
chest tightness. Yeah. Lalo na pag
Yeah.
marami kang iniisip na. Which symptom may occur in the chest?
Distension.
Distension. Palpitations indicate involvement of the
Heart.
heart. Heart yan kaagad ha. But it doesn't mean na may heart problem ka na. Not all the
Yeah.
time. So that means you need to do something. Number 32, breathlessness suggests involvement of the
Lungs.
Lungs.
syempre lungs and heart, the same di ba? Upper burner. Okay, yung voice mo weak na weak, halos wala na. It is associated with
Cheese tag.
iba talaga yung boses pag parang wala kang gana magsalita, no? Complexion in this condition is typically
Pale.
pale. The pulse may be
Overflowing.
Overflowing or tight.
overflowing, umaapaw. Number 36, emotionally patients may feel
Sad and depressed.
weeping is associated with
Lung chi.
which soul is affected by chest chi stagnation.
Po. Lungs.
The po is known as the
Corporeal.
ethereal soul. Ay, corporeal soul, sorry. Kun is ethereal soul. Po is corporeal soul. Sorry. Patients may become sensitive to
Psychic influence.
psychic influences. 41. Early emotional effects are confined to chi. Next week we will discuss the effects of mental emotional problems on blood. Kaya makikita natin ngayon kung sino talaga, no? Long-term disruption leads to
Pathogenic factor.
okay, so it will be the cause of your illness. So let not this happen. Don't let this happen to anyone, no? See? So nagiging pathogenic factor na siya. That means it can cause illness, which is not a pathogenic factor mentioned.
Cold.
Phlegm.
Phlegm? Uy, number 1 yung phlegm.
Ay,
Cold.
okay. It's
Cold.
not.
Cold.
Ay,
Cold
lang.
is not a pathogenic factor.
Not pathogenic.
So, wind, pag wind yan, pwede ka ma-stroke. Ha? Dampness, lalapot lang yung dugo mo. Pwede ka rin mag-MI, no? Mag-heart attack, no? Ang phlegm, pwede kang masiraan ng bait.
Cancer.
Or pwede ka rin mag-cancer. Or pwede ka rin ma-stroke.
Stroke.
Kaya, yung mga mental issues, dapat ayusin. Number 4, chi stagnation can lead to
Blood stasis.
blood stasis. Kaya yung mga tumors na malalambot, nagiging matigas. Which factor can develop from chi disruption?
Fire.
Wow, galing naman. Bakit? Kasi umiinit.
Init.
I guess.
Okay. Phlegm formation is linked to
Chi
chi
disruption.
disruption. So pag may chi disruption, merong fire. Ay, kaya nasisiraan ng bait. Okay. 47. Dampness arises from ay,
Chi
biglang
dysfunction.
kaya kailangan nagpa-acue na. Wind may develop due to
Emotional disturbance.
emotional disturbance. Okay. Wind. Alam niyo naman, wind. Magkakaroon ka ng tremors, right?
Yes.
Yung iba, Doc, Bell's palsy.
Oh, Bell's palsy. These pathogenic factors further affect
The
Mind
and spirit. And finally, the last question for today. The overall impact of emotional problems on chi is
disrupting movement.
within transformation.
Wow, congratulations, everyone. And thank you so much for joining.
Thanks, Joe.
Thank you.
Salamat.